What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Double J Outdoors. My wife and I decided to come down to the lake house for the weekend to celebrate my birthday. We got lots of friends and family coming in, and I'm just looking forward to having some fun. As you guys may or may not know, Mimi had a pontoon boat that she no longer has. She has replaced it with a new boat, and for its age, it's almost pristine. I'm super excited to show y'all what she got. But before I do so, y'all make sure to subscribe for future content to come. And on that note, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. The boat that my Mimi replaced the pontoon boat with is this almost pristine 2006 18-foot Bayliner. From what I recall, the owner, or previous owner, used it very little times and had it sit for a while, and it was just too good of a deal to pass up. So my Mimi traded in the pontoon and got this one. Basically got the engine all revamped, new fuel lines, new hoses. I'll show you guys the engine bay here in a bit, but I mean, everything on this boat is immaculate. The carpet, the stitching, even the outside. Sure, being a 20-year-old boat, you're gonna have some little nicks and dings, but for the most part, this thing is almost brand new. Show you all what the boat looks like while it's sitting pretty in the boathouse. Got to get the straps adjusted as it does not fit this boat, but we make it work for now. Let me show you guys what the engine compartment looks like. For being a 20-year-old boat, this thing is impressive. Check that out. Everything here looks basically brand new. Of course, powered by that Mercury. You can't beat a Mercury. But this engine, the entire compartment, looks so good. What an awesome day it's been. Lots of eating, lots of sweets and desserts, and boating. That boat is awesome, and I'm really enjoying it. We wrapped up the night doing some fishing, caught 3 catfish, one of them being a pretty decent size, and I wish I would have got all 3 of those catches on video, but there was just a lot of background noise and music, and I just didn't think recording was worth it. But y'all have a good night. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning. As y'all can see behind me, the water is pretty much glass. It's a beautiful morning to start fishing. It's a lot more peaceful and quiet than it was last night, so this will give me an opportunity to do some filming. Hopefully we get some bites like we did last night. So Mimi has this feeder that's at the end of our little walkway here, and it just went off. As y'all can see, got lots of catfish and carp that come up and eat on it. Alright y'all, got my hot dog. This did wonders last night, so we'll see what happens. I got it about 3.5, 4 feet deep.
Are you catching anything?
Just started. Well, just had something take it, but I think it was too small to actually grab the hook. There we go, guys. Little bitty catfish. Little bitty guy. I'll tell you what, if I was actually eating these, that's perfect size. We're gonna release them and let them get bigger. Oh, so close. May have been a small fish trying to take that bait. Got my fishing partner behind scenes on camera. And yeah, there's his head. Hey buddy, you're in the shot. Say hi. Ollie, you're gonna bring me good luck. Make that bobber go down. Big old catfish on the end of that line. Now I got a turtle. Wonder if that's what's been taking my bait. I can see my bobber getting played with, but I think they're just little minnows or maybe perch that's playing with it right now. Oh, look at that, look at that. Fish on. I think it's a little bitty. Ah, it's a turtle. Okay, little buddy. Glad you didn't swallow the hook. Well, that took a little while, but got the hook out. He scurried right back into the water, and that's that. I think if turtles are going to start biting my hook, I think I'm going to stop fishing because they're just going to steal the bait or get the hook and take a while to get that thing out. So I'm going to call it a morning for fishing, and I think it's about time to get the boat out on the water. Time to take the boat out, but sadly not to enjoy it. Got to take it to the boat ramp, get it put on the trailer for storage. It doesn't fit in the boathouse. We'll get those straps adjusted and get this thing properly stored. It's been one heck of a weekend out here at the lake house. Celebrating my birthday. Couldn't have gone any better. Taking that boat out was a thrill. Going 45, 50 miles per hour is certainly fast enough for me. But sadly, it's time to head back home and get ready for work. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, you guys take care. I'll see y'all on the next one.